Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to add pages in Canva. After starting Canva, we can go to choose a template. I will use presentation, so I click it. After a presentation page is created, we can go to the page design and then go down to bottom. We can find the button Add Page. So we can click it to add another page. Alternative, we can go to top right corner. We can find the icon Add Page. Click it to add the third page. And also we can go to Pages to show page thumbnail. We can have the icon plus to add page. And also we can go to the arrow. We can choose the page style. For example, we can choose sheet, document, presentation, or others. For example, we can add sheet. So if we go to the grid view, we can find all the pages here. We can select the sheet and add page, or we can select the presentation again to add page for presentation. And also we can add the third style. For example, we can add documents. So this is how we can add pages in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.